Materials: scissors, glue, binder ring, and a hole puncher. Instructions: cut out the pockets on page 2 along the outer dashed lines. Cut out the different rock types on page 2 along the solid outer lines. Cut out each background on page 1 along the outer edge. Punch a hole through the white circle located on the left-hand corner. Apply glue or tape along the edge of each pocket and attach the pockets to the matching background. Place each background onto a binder clip and place the correct rock type into the matching pocket.